this meeting of Ohio County Fiscal Court to order on this 23rd day of June, 2026, at 5 p.m. I'm going to ask Brother Josh Wright to come forward and do the prayer and the pledge to the flag.
Let us pray. Dear Heavenly Father, we come to you this afternoon. We thank you for your many blessings, Father. We cannot repay you enough for all that you do for us each and every day. I ask you to be with this meeting, Father. You bless our leaders, and I pray that they look in the biblical scriptures and choose you to use as guidance when they make decisions for us in Ohio County. Just ask you to continue to bless our community and protect us. We appreciate the sunshine. We appreciate the rain when it comes. We just love and thank you so much. In your precious name I pray. Amen.
Thank you.
Let us pray. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, Josh. He has Parks and Rec folks come on up for a proclamation. All of you, and while you're doing that, I'll tell you about. Josh actually has a new title with the county. Who wants to tell? You want to tell them what it is?
Official emergency pastor, I reckon.
Yeah.
Yeah, we make all these phone calls and I can't get anybody. I text Josh. Josh.
How much is that gonna add to the budget?
0.
Oh,
Yes, come to
Josh.
this thing.
Now, since he got the official title, we did have to double his pay. Josh will be able to give, Bo will be able to give you all those names, sure. What? Wait a minute. Ain't you gonna bring those others up
They
here?
don't wanna come up, they're bashful. We try.
Oh, my.
Come on, Finley.
She's coming. Here comes one.
right.
All right. Come on, Nikki. Luke, y'all get on down here close. So you'll be in who's taking the picture? She's taking the pictures for me. Right? You're the photographer? Okay, here you go. Let's read the proclamation.
Whereas July is nationally celebrated in the United States as Park and Recreation Month to promote building strong, vibrant, and resilient communities through the power of parks and recreation. And whereas Parks and Recreation promotes physical and mental wellness for community members of all abilities through opportunities to spend time in nature, be physically active, and socialize with neighbors. And whereas Parks and Recreation is essential to the environmental well-being of our county through managing natural spaces and engaging community members in activities at the park. And whereas Parks and Recreation benefits the economic vitality of our community by promoting tourism, and whereas our commitment to our community is demonstrated by our engagement with community groups and planning efforts and partnerships to create community-led programs and events at our parks and facilities. Whereas this year's theme of the power of Parks and Recreation, play, nature, community, belonging, well-being, and the people who make these experiences possible. Now therefore be it resolved that I, David Johnston, Ohio County Judge Executive, proclaim July 2026 as Parks and Recreation Month in Ohio County. During this month, I encourage all residents to visit our county parks and participate in activities offered there.
Go sign it.
Look up here. There you go.
And we can get both of the names and get them to her, right?
Huh?
You want her in it?
Who?
You can take one, quick one with her, like stick her up?
Oh, yeah.
Because
Yeah.
I didn't realize I didn't get her.
top of her head.
Yeah, come on, bring her up here and let's get another picture.
Can you hold it?
There we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
All right. There's your copy. There's your copy.
Thank
Guys, before you have the minutes of the June 9th meeting, 2026, we need a motion and a second to approve those minutes.
Make a motion to approve the minutes for June 9th.
Motion by Michael, second by Dale. Got it.
Got it.
Is there any corrections, additions, or discussion? Discussion, corrections, or additions to the minutes? Being none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. Motion carried, the minutes are approved. As well, we have the bills, claims, payments, and transfers. We need a motion to, and second for the bills, claims, payments, and transfers.
Motion approved.
Motion by Bo Bennett,
Second.
second by Jason Bullock.
That was my.
Michael McKay, I'm sorry,
I,
y'all sound a little bit alike today.
yeah.
Is there any discussion on the bills, claims, payments, and transfers? Any discussion? Being none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. The bills are paid. You have the treasurer's May 2026 financial statement. At this point, we just need to acknowledge that it was received.
Make acknowledgement we received treasurer's.
Motion by Dale,
Second.
second by Larry. Any discussion? Being none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. That is accepted. Also, every year we have to approve the renewal of the treasurer's bond.
I'll make a motion to renew the treasurer's bond for the new fiscal year.
Motion by Michael,
I'll say.
second all over the place. Pick one.
Who was first?
Larry, I think.
Got a good treasurer.
Well, I didn't second it, I don't.
Okay, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. Motion carries. This being June, at the time that we revise or look over our administrative code, this time the admin code committee met a couple times and had suggestions, and you have them there in front of you in your packet.
You guys see them or have any questions? There were 4 changes, I think. Page 47, 50, 31, and 35. Do you want me to brief, I mean,
A real quick brief on this,
So,
subtle there.
on page 47, it was just added to the end of a definition of 1 day, it's 8 hours, or normal scheduled shift was added. So that is, because sometimes in the past, we've had 10-hour shifts. So we wanted to add that in there in case there was a 10-hour shift. So that's highlighted there. That was the change in that one. On page 50, for bereavement period, 3-day paid funeral bereavement day, we added a couple of people. We added daughter-in-law, son-in-law, and grandchild in there. So if a worker has a daughter-in-law, son-in-law, or grandchild that is lost, they will get the bereavement period, along with the others listed. The third change is on page 31. We added, add any needed or seasonal employee who goes without working for a period of 12 consecutive weeks or more will be automatically terminated. And those are just for as needed and seasonal employees who do not work for a 12-week period, consecutive weeks. And the last one is on page 35. It's basically, we have a smoke-free policy, but we just kind of vamped it a little bit up with, for vehicles. And the vehicles to where it says here, these were 2 things, these were how it's added in there for the smoke-free building and vehicle policy. It says use of tobacco products, electronic smoking devices, or any other nicotine delivery systems. So not nicotine packs, you know, like I think there's some kind of pouch or something. It's more of vapor or smoke related. Or any nicotine delivery systems. And we put county-owned vehicles. It was just in the buildings, but we added that this be put in county vehicles too. And that are the changes to the administrative code. And you all have copies there, and everything's highlighted in yellow. So I'll put that in the form of a motion that we accept, is the second reading of that? Second reading?
This is the first
So
reading.
the first,
Second.
first reading.
Bo second the motion. Okay, it's it's ordinance, so roll call.
McKinney,
Yes.
Bullock,
Yes.
Yes.
Johnston,
Yes.
Bevan,
Yes.
Morphew.
Yes.
Okay, we're ready for the second reading of the budget. It's 2026-27 budget. We already did the first reading. We need to do the second one.
Make a motion to accept the second reading of, the 26-27 fiscal year budget.
Motion by Jason Bullock.
Now, if, we have to amend it, we can amend it,
You
correct?
bet, you can, oh, yeah. Do I have a second?
Second.
Second by Dale. Any further discussion? Being none, roll call.
McKinney,
Yes.
Bullock,
Yes.
Bennett,
Yes.
Johnston,
Yes,
Niven,
Yes.
Morphew.
Yes.
and you've got that for me to sign, right? You'll write the date in, correct? And get it back to Candy at the end of the meeting so she can do her thing and get it on in. Now then, we have the budget amendment we had to finish up this year with. We have second reading of it, so we need a motion and a second on that as well.
Make a motion for second reading ordinance, budget amendment.
Motion by Michael McKinney,
Second.
second by Dale Bevan. Bevan, I mean. Any discussion? Being none, roll call.
McKinney,
Yes.
Bullock,
Yes.
Bennett,
Yes.
Johnston,
Yes,
Niven,
Yes.
Morphew.
Yes.
okay. Now that it is passed, the budget's in, we need, and you know, we give all the raises for the, CPI and that sort of thing. We need to go ahead and, we've got to approve the wage compensation schedule, which you should have a copy of that as well. That will reflect those, CPI wages.
I'll make a motion to accept the wage compensation.
Motion by Jason Bullock,
Second.
second by, was that Michael?
Michael.
Michael McKinney. Any discussion? Being none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Post like sign, that's accepted, and that is our new compensation schedule. We got some money from the state, that's a good thing, to repair Quarter Horse Bridge. Is this the emergency or the contingency?
This is the contingency.
This is the 20,000 contingency, and we need to approve it, for me to sign the contract and get it back for them, to get the 20,000. We've already got the 100,000 from them.
It was emergency.
So this, from emergency, which there wasn't anything to come through court on the emergency, but on the, on contingency, there is. And I would think it'd be very appropriate for, Dale, for you to make that motion.
I'll make a motion that we pass the 39th fund, the bridge repair to Quarter Horse.
How much is that gonna leave the county owing?
Hopefully, Nick will do it very little.
How little?
It's already late.
Ballpark.
10, 15,000. And we're in the new road budget, so it won't amount to much. Got a motion second. Okay, that was discussion. Any further
We have a
discussion?
motion.
But the state shut that bridge down, so it had to
Did we
be
get a
done,
second?
right?
Oh, who wants to
We did
second
not
that
get a
motion?
second.
We didn't get a second. Anybody awake down there?
Yeah, we're looking.
We're looking at something real quick, but yeah, I'll second that motion.
Second by Jason. Any more discussion? Being none. Okay, the motion means for me to sign this contract as well, if it goes in the motion. All in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. Quarter Horse Bridge is fixing to be fixed. And I know people are tired of hearing this, it's the last bad bridge in the county. And
It had to be in my district.
yeah, in 16 years, well, the last two have been.
Yeah.
And when I came in, my second day in office, I was presented a list by the State Bridge Department of 74 bridges. And Quarter Horse wasn't on there, because it's gotten bad during that time and added to it. So we've done a lot of bridge work. Okay,
I have a question about the annual compensation. Can I go ask real quick about that?
Yeah.
I'm looking at the corner. Was that Ray?
January first.
So that doesn't come into January first? Okay, cause I noticed it was, okay, that's fine.
Well, the company says this is effective July first, but it says 27 on the top.
That's because I don't know what year we're in.
Okay,
It's
Okay.
supposed, it's supposed to be fiscal year
Alright.
27.
I understand. Okay, so the
2026
top's
July.
incorrect. I
So-
was just making sure.
That doesn't take effect to January one, okay, that's what I was making sure, okay.
Yeah, on the corner. Any further discussion? Well, actually, we went past it, we'd already passed that anyway, okay. Now then, Jason or Christina neither here from OCEDA, are they?
No, I'm going to
So,
represent
I
that.
guess Jason, Bullock will present them because he's on the OCEDA board. We have 2 OCEDA loans to approve, and they have been vetted and they're well secured, and you can tell them that, Jason.
I have a copy of all it's the 2 loans if you want, but I think they're in their packet too.
package.
They're in your
Yeah.
packet,
They're in your package.
so if you want this copy, it's just a 1-page. The first loan is for filter air. It's established an HVAC filter supply, service, and manufacturing business located in Ohio County. It's actually part of, Bentley and Jaron Ball, which is,
4-star,
5-star,
4-star.
4-star. I knew there were several
Don't
stars.
add a
I didn't
star.
know.
they're taking star away.
Yeah, so they're asking for $100,000 from OCEDA revolving loan fund. If you look down to the bottom, this is for a 7-year, 4% interest. There's their collateral right here, on the bottom. It tells you about the collateral, which there is listed in your packet. It's $124,000 and $215 in equipment. And it's also, the newly acquired manufacturing machine will also be a first on it too, so it's more than, because I think the machine itself is,
We'll be first on all that.
will be, yes. So,
Well secured.
I make a motion, we're first on all those, that we, go ahead and approve the first loan of $100,000 for field air, is that how you say it?
That's how I would say it.
That's how, okay.
Go ahead,
So I'll
second.
put that in the form of a motion.
Second.
Second by Bo Bennett.
Are we on the second mortgage on this?
No, first on
First.
everything. Over double
Like
secured.
130,000 in securities.
And then plus the machinery on top, so.
With the new machinery, it'll be double secured.
Yeah, the machinery piece is about $100,000 too, so.
Okay, so, okay, let's go ahead and do roll call on that.
Okay.
You got the motion second, didn't you?
Yes. McKinney,
Yes.
Bullock,
Yes.
Bennett,
Yes.
Johnston,
Yeah,
Viven,
Yes.
Well,
Morphew.
the bank
Yes.
said-
Okay. Okay, the other one.
House was.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Do what? Okay, so the next one is, Rosa Maria's Ice Cream Expansion, it's part of Copa Cafe. They are asking for $45,450, it's also 7 years at 4% interest. And then you have a list of what they're using the $45,450 there for. Collateral, I think they have a mortgage on their house is on, and the address is, 419 State Route 269 in Beaver Dam, Kentucky. So, we would be a first on the house.
So it's well secured as well.
And I put that in the form of a motion.
I'll second.
Second by Michael. Any discussion or more questions for Jason?
And anybody realize I think there's about $315,000 still available in the revolving loan funds.
Any further discussion? Being none, go ahead and roll call that one as well.
McKinney,
Yes.
Bullock,
Yes.
Bennett,
Yes.
Johnston,
Yes.
Viven,
Yes.
Morphew.
Yes. How does, did the theater sell again, Jason?
I think it fell through at the steps again because he didn't,
So we didn't collect any on that?
not this,
No, not-
so it's gonna go back again to the courthouse steps again.
Go back to sale again. That'd be a good investment for you, Larry.
Yeah.
But anyway. Okay, well now we've advertised, and this is June, that's when we go over our annual bids. We did have a meeting at 4 and opened those bids and reviewed them and discussed them. So as of now, we have each one of the guys got something to make motions on. And, like I said, after reviewing contract hall, there was no bids. Right,
Right, no bids.
stone, we had, who's got stone?
I do.
Okay, Michael.
So this is, sealed bids. We received one bid from Martin Marietta. We'd like to accept that bid with the contingency that we can, shop if the materials are not available at the time that we need them. Would you like me to go over these prices, or are we just gonna accept the bid as it is?
Very quickly rate over.
Okay, number 3's at $19.90 per ton. Number 4's $21.20 per ton. Number 8's $26.75 per ton. 57's $25.65 per ton. Number 610's $16.40 per ton. Commercial 610's not applicable to our application. DGA is $16.40. Riprap $25. Mine Run Waste is not applicable. Shot Rock $15.60. Surge Rock $17.75. And those are all prices per ton. I'd like to accept that bid with the contingency that Nick can shop if the materials are not available from Martin Marietta.
I'll second Michael's bid,
Who's second?
or second his motion.
Jason did. Any further discussion? Chris, what are those prices, were they, shocking to you? Sounds about right? Okay. Did we vote yet? All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like, well, now we've bought our stone for the year. Concrete mix, nobody bid. Steel pipe and pipe bands, who has that?
I got that one.
Okay,
I make a motion, we accept Contact Engineer Solutions for the steel pipe. Prices is 12-inch, 14/30, 15-inch, 17, 16 a foot, 18, $21, 34, 14, 12, 36-inch, 70, 42, 81, 54, 104, 60, 115, 72, 159.
that's the motion.
I make a motion to accept the
Second.
bid.
Second by Larry, you got it? All in favor, say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. That motion carries. Primer, tack, and RS2 oil, who has that?
And, tack is $2.65 a gallon, primer, no bid. AE 200, no bid. RE2, no bid. High float, no bid. And, I make a motion, we accept that with, options to shop around for the ones that didn't bid.
For those oils that didn't bid, that nobody bid on. Okay. Did you get it?
I'll second.
Second by Dale. Any further discussion? Being none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. That motion carries. Diesel fuel and gasoline, nobody bid on it again either. So that's, he can shop, get the best deal there is, or we can, all of us can. We got Blacktop, who has it?
I got it.
Okay.
So the bids from Scotty's Contracting and Stone, Blacktop picked up at the vendor's yard, it's $95.29 a ton, per ton. Blacktop delivered, placed, and compacted on various roads in all parts of the county. Per ton is $106.95. So I accept, make a motion, we accept Scotty's bid on asphalt.
Get a second?
Second.
Second by Michael.
Down need to put, we can shop around.
He's not paying attention to you.
He smiled.
Any discussion? Being none, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. Motion carries. I'm just curious at the little bit of difference between picking it up and putting it down yourself and having it having the road paved, basically. Does anybody ever actually do that in their own paving machine?
Now, you've got a few counties that still try. On paper, the numbers don't work. The FOB price is if you're doing pipe patches or something, you wanna get the road back in asphalt. We do have some counties that'll pick up some mix if they're replacing culverts and they wanna go back with
Okay.
not mix.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, equipment, vehicle lease, nobody bid. Who has plastic pipe?
I've got metal and plastic culverts.
Okay.
So we got two bids. One is from Kavanaugh's, which is our farm and garden here in Hartford. And the other one is, I'm gonna say, Skis Family Farms. They're located in Hazel, Kentucky. There were some of the, I mean, you can go over all the numbers if you like, but some of the numbers were less for Skis Family Farms, but we would have to go get the pipe. So there's a cost there. So I think I'd like to accept both bids and let Nick just decide which is most feasible for our county.
That's a good idea. Who do I have second?
Second.
Second by Dale. Any discussion on plastic pipe? Being none, all in favor say aye. Opposed, like sign. So we've got our plastic pipe covered. The electrical HVAC service agreement, who has that?
I do.
Okay.
Complete comfort, courthouse, to shut down the cooling tires for the winter, remove water from lines, prevent freezing, also service 4 boilers in the basement and other heater units throughout the building, also change the filters throughout the building, $1,050. To open the cooling tires in the spring, get the system up and running, grease bearings, also serve all other AC units outside and change filters inside. Price includes filters, $1,050. Community center, fall maintenance on 11 outside condensers, also clean mini split on the roof and wash out filters inside, $1,150. Spring maintenance on 11 outside condensers and wash out filters, also cleaning mini splits on the roof and washing out filters, $1,150. I make a motion that we accept complete company's bid.
Do you have a second?
Second.
Second by Larry. Any further discussion? There was only one bid, by the way. So, all in favor say aye. Opposed, like sign. We have our electrical thing covered. Be sure, all of you just got these bid things to give them back to sign, because she has to put them with the minutes and all that. Trash services, who has it?
I do.
Okay.
I make a motion that we accept Republic Services bid for our trash pickup services.
Second.
They were the only bid.
Any discussion? If there's not, all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. Motion carries. The only one left is the road salt. Who has road salt?
I've got it. We got 2 bids and one declined, one put no bid. That was Morton Salt. And the compass materials bid $136.97 per ton. And I make a motion we accept them.
I second.
Motion second. Any discussion? We'll say that salt has been issued. So hopefully this vendor will get all we need. We're full at this time, which is a good thing. But we never know how much ice and snow we're gonna get. So all in favor say aye. Opposed, like sign. The road salt accepted, that's all of the county bids that were put out there. Two meetings ago, or a few meetings ago, we did the, accepted the bid of Comcare to run the ambulance service. And we also decided to give them a contract, but we didn't put in there to vote for me to sign the contract with the revisions as Justin has done. I'd like a motion to allow me to sign that with Justin's revisions.
I'll make a motion to allow the judge to sign the new renewed contract with Comcare to allow them to continue services for Ohio County.
I'll second it.
And I'm still just doing, like right now, I'm still doing a few just revisions, some of them clerical in nature, and some of them it shouldn't have a lot of bearing, but just a few things.
All in favor say aye. Opposed, like sign. Motion carries. And you signed that. You got it down that way.
David, I have something else if I could. Back to our OCEDA loans. We need to make a motion to allow our treasurer to issue checks and to sign those checks.
We passed the ambulance salt.
Okay.
I'll second.
But they allowed me to sign. What was, we haven't done a motion?
Yes, sir. I'd like to make a motion to allow our treasurer to sign checks for the OCEDA loans that we approved.
Okay, I'm glad you thought of that.
I'll second.
I still think there's gotta be a standing when we vote on something that,
Dale seconded it. So all in favor say aye.
Aye.
Opposed, like sign. You know, that's something we just forget to do consistently, and I don't know why. Of course, it seems common sense, if we vote to buy something, we're gonna pay for it, right? But anyways, it's gotta be in there for the right check. Thanks for thinking of that, Michael.
I got a text.
That helped, didn't it? Yeah. Good job. We do have some hirings. We're off the hiring freeze now that the new budget is passed. I have, this one's a golf course at level 1, $14.79 per hour, and it's seasonal, correct? I don't see that, but it is, right?
Yes, that's seasonal.
Seasonal. And the name is Landon Hiner. Name of this road.
McKinney,
Yes.
Bullock,
yes.
Bennett,
Yes.
Johnston,
Yes.
Niven,
Yes.
Morphew.
Yes.
The next one is also the golf course, $14.79 per hour, seasonal. They're gonna start the first Monday in the year, or the 1st of July. And that was on the other one too. And the name on this one is Bailey Bechtel.
McKinney,
Yes.
Bullock,
Yes.
Bennett,
Yes.
Johnston,
Yeah.
Niven,
Yes.
Morphew.
Yes.
The other one is part-time, $21.50 per hour, start July the 1st, level 2. It's deputy judge, and name is Tracy Beatty.
McKinney,
Yes.
Bullock,
Yes.
Bennett,
Yes.
Johnston,
Yes.
Niven,
Yes.
Morphew.
Yes.
All right, that's their personnel for the day. You don't have anything, Justin, that we need closed session for?
No, sir.
Okay, we're ready for committee reports. I know that the ordinance committee, decency ordinance committee met this evening, but they're not ready to report today. Is that correct, Mr. Chairman? Dale?
Yes.
That's right. You're the chairman of that committee.
I was on something else, I was on that deputy judge.
You're still on that, huh? Has any other committees met in the last, since the last meeting? Any other committees met? Of course, admin code did, but they've already.
Admin code, no CETA, we both did our things tonight, so.
Yeah. So they both have done. Dustin, any of your committees meet? No? Okay, I guess, can you think of anything new that I said was going to a committee vote?
Over the, America's 250.
There we go, that's where we're at.
Committee.
Yeah, the America's 250 committee has been meeting regularly. Sonny, why don't you give us a quick update on that? And I believe is a.
Who? Josh?
He's not on that.
Not yet.
How's that miss?
I would like to thank Josh Wright to that committee tonight.
Okay,
I say that.
Better late than never.
Let's add Josh to it.
Okay, so I've put it on Facebook a couple of times, and it was in the newspaper, and Josh has announced it on the radio. 3 o'clock this Thursday, we're gonna do a Liberty Tree dedication and America's 250 celebration. In Kentucky, what they asked us to do, the Historical Society sent out an email first of the year, they wanted every county to plant a Liberty tree. So we have a cute little yellow poplar over there about yay tall that Jerry has done really well with, it's still alive. And we're hoping to have it on the courthouse lawn. If it does rain, we're gonna be in here. We're gonna have some speakers. Senator Meredith is coming, and
Mayor Hartford.
Mayor of Hartford's gonna speak. My emergency preacher may open us up with prayer since I don't have anybody. And we'd love to have the DAR is gonna participate,
The honor guard.
and the honor guard if they do not have a funeral.
And this is something big because 50 years ago, I don't know how many of you remember, City of Hartford and Beaverton both had huge celebrations for our 200 in 1976. I mean, it was a really big deal in both cities. They didn't do it collaboratively. They did it separately, but both cities did a huge celebration. It was really nice. So please come over there if you can. And I think we're going to call all county employees that are working at that time to be there. Can you handle that?
Being there?
All county employees that are working at 3 o'clock Thursday should be over there.
I think I'm gonna take off. Just kidding, I'll be there.
But that's great. Masters, if you don't mind, let me go out of order just a little bit. I want to get the sheriff on up to his part now. He's got 2 items. One's a settlement, and the other one is a resolution he's going to make.
Which one are you gonna start with first?
Let's do the settlement first.
All right, so we turned the settlements in, it's not a whole lot, I think it was just a couple $1,000. We've turned that over to you guys, you should have that in front of you. Do you have any questions on that?
Yep. I have a motion to approve that.
I make a motion to approve the sheriff's 2022 UMC settlement.
Motion by Michael McKinney. Second by Bo Benny. Any discussion? All in favor say aye. Aye. Opposed, like sign. That carries. Okay, now tell us about this, the grant you're going to.
Yeah, so everyone likes free stuff, right? Of course.
We love it.
Yes, absolutely. So today, I down-dressed out of the uniform day. I had several meetings going over grants. We had Motorola Solutions. We've had Lexipol. We've had all those people in meeting with us trying to help us get the free stuff. And so that's what I worked on today. But what I have in front of me is what I feel is very important. I've been in conversations with Seth Souther, with our school board superintendent. And he is also on board with this one as well. As you are aware, some schools in our county share school resource officers. We don't ask for the SROs to give us a schedule. They bounce back and forth to make it kind of questionable when they're going to be and where they're going to be at the time. Today in front of me, I have the application resolution for the Ohio County Sheriff's Office to apply for the COPS grant, which basically allows us to hire a deputy sheriff. As much as I would love to have extra deputies on the road, I feel it's more important that we put more deputies inside our schools because our children is of the utmost importance. Me and Seth have both talked about this. If we are fortunate enough to get this, and we're gonna do a lot of typing, we're gonna have some people help us. We would like to put this SRO in either the Fordsville or the Horse Branch Elementary full-time, because if in the event of something happens, which I pray to God it never does in our community or in the Commonwealth of Kentucky, this way it's not a long of a response for us to get there. And so if we're successful in getting this will allow Fordsville and Horse Branch to have a full-time SRO, so we won't have to travel that far in the event of emergency. And then that gives us time to work in the future to staff the other schools as we go along. So I have in front of me this resolution. I'd like for you guys to respectfully pass this so I can get the ball rolling on that, if you would.
Motion to pass this resolution.
And real quick, I'm leaving out some important stuff, I'm sorry. This is a 75%, so 25% we would have to cover. But I've talked to Seth, and he said he would split that with us, and so basically, we would only pay in around maybe $12,500 a year for a deputy sheriff, and I think that's a really good bargain.
We don't have the resolution, the number on that, but if you don't mind, and allow Sonia to add a number to it. If someone will make that motion.
I'll make the motion to accept the resolution.
And
I'll second the motion with giving the treasurer the ability to write the check.
And also Sonia to add the number. Jay, you okay with that? Yeah, I'll throw her out and add the number to it. Okay, and we have a motion in a second, you guys.
Yes.
All in favor, say aye. Aye. Both like that? It was easy on that one tonight, Adam.
Yeah.
When it comes here and says got something free, we're all over it.
It will actually be resolution 2026-7.
Okay, 2026-7. You are on top of it. Okay, now we're ready for magistrate's comments and questions. We're gonna start with 5 and go backwards this time. So Larry, you got anything?
When are we gonna get our blacktop money? Is the state still froze that, or?
Well, here's the Chris and I was talking about this a while ago. We're hoping real soon to get our flex number. As soon as we do, we've got everything, Nick and I and Chris got together, we've got everything ready to submit it just as soon as they tell us to send it in. We've already sent in the CPPPP, which you have 2 roads on that, by the way. And it's gonna be real soon.
Will we be able to get them this year?
Oh, yeah. And I hope the flex ones too, but I know for sure the CPPP. We're gonna get them real quickly. We're trying to get our paperwork done as quickly as possible so we can beat the other counties to giving Chris a PO number.
That's all I have.
Okay. Dave?
We got a fireworks show coming up the 11th at Fordsville, North Park, excuse me. Free inflatables, there'll be music, food. Everybody could from all over the county, and just like to see everybody there.
And when is it?
July the 11th.
July 11th, Fordsville. Everybody needs to go there. You need to write that on our calendar or something. Thank you. Anything else?
That's all.
Bob?
We got the summer cleanup at Rockport Boat Ramp the weekend of July 4th. Utilize that, don't overuse it, and trash up the boat ramp. But outside of that, that's it from the 3rd.
Okay, and we're gonna have a dumpster there?
Yep.
Yep, got a dumpster there. That's what I thought you'd be.
Yeah, we're not gonna throw it in the river, Judge.
Yeah. That's where everything used to go. Yeah. We had stopped too on that line, trash, you know, Charlie's not here, so this won't be as funny, but when somebody asked if the landfill was open or not, so they knew Taylor Mine Road was, and it wasn't. So, that's kind of sort of one of the trend, I told them forever.
Might have gave somebody an idea there, Judge.
Jason, no, they dump it there all the time, that's why we use that road now. Jason?
No.
Michael?
Nothing new from the first district.
Thank you. Any other elected officials have anything? Justin?
No, sir.
Who else? Adam? Bo?
I do have one thing I want to bring up. Just want to reiterate the idea of the annexation for the golf course and park. We kind of got relaxed on that a little bit, and I'd like to bring that topic back up. I think it's very important that we try to move forward in the direction to annex the park and the golf course, so.
What procedures need to be done?
Basically, I guess, Justin, that would probably have to get with Tara as far as the city attorney goes and just legal work. The city's ready to move forward on that. That's just the first step that we got to try to take to get that done, and I think it's very important.
Would we be taking in the subdivisions on the way or just
So no,
the circles on the road?
The idea would be just taking the road front end, not taking the residents because we can't provide sewer. So we would just be taking the park and the golf course in. So.
And there's reasons, especially with the golf course, that it would be more, produce more revenue if it was in the
I think
city.
there'd be a lot of opportunity in the grants as well, so.
Is the interest of the restaurant still there?
So that kind of died out. I mean, if we can have this discussion to get it annexed, I think he'd entertain the idea again.
I think it'll happen again.
So it just kind of went off the back burner a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm trying to recall, was the intention for the road to remain a county road?
Yeah, so I mean, we can work it out if the county wants to. I mean, we can work it however it needs to be done. If it needs to be a county or a city road, we'll maintain however.
I just didn't know what.
Yeah, basically for the alcohol sale as well.
Yeah, Country Club Road would be the only road we're talking about actually to get there, because you wouldn't have to go all the way down.
Right.
231. 169.
They get done with your drainage and redoing.
So update on that, they're at Rosine right now. They got one of the big tiles done, and then they're working on another one today. They should have Rosine finished up tomorrow, and then they'll be starting on the county park out here.
That's one.
So
I mean,
they
you
should
got
be
out
done.
there fixed.
We've got a total of 6 out there that walk a trail at Hartford here. So.
And on the annexation thing, is there anything we need to be doing right now?
I'll send you something on what the court.
I mean, I don't know how. I mean, there probably has to be a resolution on that as well. Maybe.
There's a few things. So, it's been a while since I looked it up. So.
Yeah, and they've changed it in Frankfurt too. So.
Yeah, last year.
So.
Thanks, Bob. Any other elected officials have anything? Does anyone from the general, okay, I got something to read here, I forgot about. We have a thank you card for helping with the school. It says, thank you for your donation. Your donation helped make Senior Sunset a success. And Kim Smiley, YNC coordinator, sent it to all of us. It's always nice if somebody thanks us in the card. Okay.
Judge, you got one more thing.
Yes, sir.
McHenry Summerfest also is this weekend.
Is it this weekend?
Yeah. So they'll have fireworks and kind of same deal that Dale has going there, so.
Good deal. Good deal. Let's go to McHenry. Is anybody from the general public have anything for the benefit of this body, for the good of the body? Anyone else have anything for the good of the body? If not, this meeting's adjourned. We'll see you. What day is it?
July 14th.
July 14th, we'll be back here.